Hello Kenda friends, in today's video, we are going to discuss the best guitar applications available for Android. Whether you're a beginner looking to learn or an experienced guitarist looking for virtual playing experiences, these apps have got you covered. So, let's jump right in and explore the top guitar apps for Android. Real Guitar. Real Guitar is the best guitar application available on Android that allows you to experience playing the guitar realistically through the touchscreen of your smart device. This application offers authentic guitar chords and notes that you can easily play. Additionally, Real Guitar provides various modes such as classic, electric guitar, and acoustic guitar modes, allowing you to produce guitar sounds according to your preferences. The application also includes additional features like voice recording and integration with social media to share your recordings. Bass Tutor Guitar. Bass Guitar Tutor is a specialized application designed for bass guitarists. This application provides useful tutorials in the form of videos and easy-to-follow steps to learn how to play bass guitar. You can learn techniques and fundamental music theory required to effectively play the bass guitar through this application. Additionally, Bass Guitar Tutor offers a learning player feature to help you practice your bass guitar skills, as well as a tuner feature to accurately tune your bass guitar. Guitar Solo. Guitar Solo is an application that offers a virtual guitar solo playing experience on your Android device. This application provides a selection of guitar chords and notes to choose from, along with various playing modes such as electric, acoustic, and classic modes. With Guitar Solo, you can produce highly realistic guitar sounds. The application also includes practice features to help you improve your guitar solo playing skills. Additionally, you can record and share your recordings with friends through social media. And that wraps up our discussion on the best guitar apps for Android. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Keep strumming and see you in the next video.